How to pin comments on Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin comments on Instagram post. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, simply select the post where you want to pin the comment to. And now here, once you are inside that particular post, you can just tap on the comment icon beside that particular reels or the post to get to the comment section. And now here, once you're inside the comment section, simply find the comment that you want to pin, and after that you can just long hold and press on that particular comment, and here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on the pin option. And here, once you do that, that particular comment will be pinned on Instagram post. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.